Hello, Ian Agrell, Agrell Architectural Carving. Supports, brackets, consoles, all these sort of words that we have for these. A bracket, well, that could be an angle iron, can't it? Support, or a console, that generally supports a weight above it. But frankly, mostly nowadays, just commonly called a bracket. Carve me some brackets. Occasionally I get carved me some consoles, but I wouldn't get too wound up about the words on that one nowadays. Anyway, up here we have a number of ones that we've done in the past. The one in the top right up there, that actually is a Horta design. I really loved Horta. Then there's the Green Man, of course. Some of them can be very simple, with just simple tongues like this. Others can be far more complicated. Over here we have a very luxurious veluted one. This one in the center here is from Versailles. I think it was carved in stone. The one next to it to the right is also French. Temple of the Wind's Leaf, just on that ball because it kind of fits in. This bracket here in the center here that was inspired by the Wren Library in St Paul's Cathedral. It actually doesn't hang down like that, it sticks out. And other more sort of typical generic styles. The one over there, the light colored one, that's Greek, sort of empire, the one with those bells. A one with flowers that drop down, it's quite a cute little one. So they come in all sort of shapes and sizes and all sorts of complexities. Brackets.